Good morning, dear students. Today we move to chapter 6, Cleaning the Classroom. Take page number 19 on your textbook. Here we can see a teacher and some students. Today we are studying some position words. They are on, near, under, between, in front of, etc. Position words means where the person is, where the animal is, where the thing is, where the place is. It shows the position of the person, place, animal or a thing. In this chapter we can see a teacher. The teacher is indicating the students what to do and where the things have to kept. Okay, let us see what the teacher says to the students. Stand on the chair. There's the picture. Here, stand on the chair. On shows the position of the student. Where the student is? Student is on the chair. Look at the next word. What the student have to do? Student have to dust the picture. Look at the next words. Clean out the desk. Keep the dustbin near the door. Here, near shows the position of the dustbin. Position of a thing. Where the dustbin is? Dustbin is near the door. First, the student has to clean the desk. Next, he has to keep the dustbin near the door. Look at the next picture. Here the teacher indicates the students to keep the chairs straight and put their bags under the chairs. Okay, let us read the sentences. Keep the chairs straight. Put your bags under the chairs. Here, under shows the position of the bags. Where the bags are? The bags are under the chairs. In the first page, we have seen the students clean their blackboard. Then they clean their table and put the dustbin near the door. Next, they put the chairs straight and put their bags under the chairs. Look at this picture. Here, the teacher indicates the students to wipe the blackboard and put the duster near the blackboard. What the student has to do? The student has to wipe the blackboard. And what is the position of the duster? Duster has to kept near the blackboard. Put the duster near the blackboard. Look here. Collect the maths and English books. Put them on my table. First, the student has to collect the maths and English books, then put them on my table. Here the position word is on, and the books have to put on my table. Here, keep the maths books below the English books. Put flowers in the vase. Where are the maths books kept? The maths books kept below the English books. And where the flowers? Flowers are in the vase. Here the position of the maths book is below the English books. And the position of the flowers are in the vase. Look at your textbook, page number 20, and the third picture. There you can see 4 textbooks. The maths books are kept below the English books. And look at the vase. The flowers are in the vase. Look at the last picture. Here we can see a student doing something. And the teacher indicates, put the vase between the piles of the books. Place the globe in front of the books. Here between shows the position of the vase. And between the piles of the books. And we can see a bunch of books there, and in between the piles of books we can see a vase. And the position of the globe is in front of the books. In front of shows the position of the globe. Here we can see a blue color vase on the table in between the piles of books, and there are some flowers in the vase. And we can see a globe in the hands of the student, and she is trying to keep the globe in front of the books. Today we studied the position words, and let us go through the question answers. The answers of these questions will be given tomorrow. The first question is, where is the dustbin kept? Second question is, where are the Max books kept? Third question is, what is put in the vase? Now let us discuss about listening and speaking skills. Look and say, where are the frogs? Here you have to say, where is the position of the frog? Okay, look at the first picture. One frog is under the chair. Under is the position of the frog. One frog is on the table. On is the position of the frog. On the table. One frog is near the dustbin. Near is the position of the frog. One frog is in front of the teacher. In front of is the position of the frog. One frog is behind the door. Behind is the position of the frog. One frog is in the box. In is the position of the frog. If I ask you a question, where is the frog? And what will be your answer? You can say, the frog is under the chair. The frog is on the table. The frog is near the dustbin. The frog is in front of the teacher. The frog is behind the door. The frog is in the box, etc. Okay students, here the chapter ends and you have to write and study the spelling of the position words. In this chapter we can see some action words too, the actions done by the students. And last chapter we studied about the verbs. The verb is a word which shows the action of the person. Try to find out the action words which you have seen in this chapter and the position words. And now let us move to English second, the grammar part, page number 51 on a textbook. More naming words. Here we can see some naming words. People, animals and birds have names. Things and places too have names. These are also called naming words or nouns. Nouns are called naming words. Naming words means name of a person, animal, birds, etc. Now let us look at the picture. There is a boy, a person, name of a person. Second picture we can see a dog, name of an animal. Third picture we can see a pigeon, name of a bird. And the fourth picture we can see a chair, name of a thing. And the fifth picture, last picture we can see park. Park is the name of a place. These all naming words are called nouns. Now let us go to exercise A, page number 52 on a textbook. What are these places? Write their names with the help of the box. In the box we can see temple, farm, school, hospital, bookshop, road, garden, platform. In the first picture we can see, what is the first picture? First picture is bookshop. Second picture is hospital. Third picture is garden. Fourth picture is road. Fifth picture is school. Sixth picture is platform. Seventh picture is farm. And the eighth picture is a temple. Dear students, take a pencil and write down the words from the box to the proper picture. Next, let us go to exercise B. Choose the correct word from the help box and write it under the correct picture. Here there is a help box where there we can see some words. There, glass, shoes, car, stool, jug, ice, star, toothbrush. And write down the proper words to the proper picture. Okay dear students, now let's go to exercise C. Solve the noun puzzle with the help of the picture clues. Take help from the box given below. In the box we can see some names of the animals and birds and write down in the puzzle given below. Okay dear students, you have to do this puzzle by yourself and look at the puzzle. The first word, near the first word we can see an animal. What is the name of that animal? Bear, B-E-A-R. Okay, second we can see an elephant. Third we can see a camel. Fourth one we can see a zebra. Fifth one we can see a fox. Okay, dear students, like that you have to get the help from the help box. Okay, look at the picture, page number 53 on your textbook. There you can see help box. There are some names of the animals and birds, and that animals and birds are here in the picture near the puzzles. That you have to fill up by yourself. Okay, dear students, the correct answers will be given tomorrow with your notes, and check up the correct answer with the works you have done today.